Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Let us learn 100 Dinka words. Begin from 1. Akurbio, basal agok, mean wild onion. Alal, parrot, alak. Grey heron, alat, cloth. Alweed mean small window or small hole in your house. It's called alweed. Amad, slowly. Angod mean still or not yet. Bapura, Bapura is cassava. Akuma, government. Bany, sheep. Morngagnum, Morngagnum mean Morngagnum. Bany bit mean spear master. Bany bit. Bell mean hurricane. Berich mean to repeat. Bow mean aluminium. Kadi alloy allow. Biet mean to be silent. Bio mean barking. Jonga bio mean the dog is barking. Boy. Net. Cham mean to eat. Cham mean left-handed. For example, you can say ran kene e cham mean this person is a left-handed. Chan is a name of Dinka male twins. Achan is a name of Dinka female twin. Ngor is a name of a Dinka male twin. Anger is a name of Dinka female twin. Chain mean behind. Chich mean bee. Milk chich mean honey. Chit mean diarrhea. Chim mean kiss. Chim tok mean kiss the mouth. Chim tok. Chiat mean scorpion. Chelich, middle. Chibor, skum. Sir, anabeja. Chwar, tip. Tweet, baran. Tweet mean scorn. To scorn someone. Tweet, in mandaran or kadang ataman. Tweet. Dew mean to doubt. And dew mean I am doubting. Diar mean women. Duang mean to teach. Duang mean to deceive. Diao mean to cry. Jai mean to refuse. Juak mean to increase. Jual mean oyster. Ran ador mean malnourished person. Ran ador daily way. Ran try mean bad person. Ran agal mean very tall person. Ran agalgal very tall person. Ran agal. Ran chick short person. Ran bar tall person. A chick mean dwarf person. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our video. Please share, like, and comment. Please watch the full video in our YouTube channel. The name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka English 5 TV 5. Please watch the other 50 Dinka words. The full video is in YouTube. You will get it there. When you go to YouTube, please remember to like my video and also comment there so that I know you are watching the video and you are learning Dinka with me. If you need any question, please ask in the comment section in YouTube. Okay. Bye bye. Don't and William. Bye bye.